Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into what feels like a major leap forward in how we create content, an exclusive look at SparkClips AI. This platform promises to unlock the next era of AI video production, positioning itself not just as an upgrade, but as a complete revolution in the space. It's a unified creative environment that aims to simplify and accelerate your entire video workflow, transforming raw ideas into polished, broadcast-ready content faster than ever before. We're going to show you exactly why this revolutionary living video suite is set to change how professionals and beginners alike approach creating high-impact videos. Before we dive into the powerful dashboard and explore how it achieves all this, a quick reminder: we genuinely appreciate your support. If you find this review helpful, please hit that like button, share this video with your fellow creators, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Every detail about securing your access to this incredible technology, including the limited time offers we'll be discussing, is available right now via the link in the description below. Let's get started. SparkClips AI represents a major evolutionary step in the landscape of digital content creation. It is a highly powerful and cohesive generative AI platform designed to completely streamline the entire process of video production. Instead of relying on fragmented tools for scripting, voiceovers, visual generation, and final editing, SparkClips AI brings all these advanced capabilities under one intelligent, integrated roof. The core philosophy of this platform is to dramatically accelerate your ability to transform simple text, ideas, or existing content into high-quality, professional videos ready for any platform. The system empowers creators and businesses to achieve massive output and quality without the typical resource constraints. It acts as a complete replacement for manual video recording, hiring professional presenters, or outsourcing expensive post-production work. Whether your goal is to quickly produce high-converting ads, engaging social media reels, full-length tutorials, or extensive educational content, SparkClips AI offers a robust, cloud-based solution that maximizes production efficiency. It is designed to work seamlessly in the browser, ensuring a rapid workflow that enables users to generate a large volume of content in a minimal amount of time, positioning it as an essential tool for rapid business growth and content scaling. The foundational technology of SparkClips AI is built on accelerating content production, starting with its core text and voice capabilities. The instant text-to-video generation feature allows users to transform any script or idea into a professionally structured video within minutes, radically cutting down on initial production time. This output is paired with a comprehensive audio studio that includes human-level AI voiceovers in various tones and accents, ensuring your narration is natural and compelling, not robotic. Furthermore, the platform offers advanced voice cloning and accent control, which allows you to preserve the speaker's original vocal identity or switch accents, all while automatically generating auto-generated dynamic subtitles to boost engagement and retention on every clip. For creators seeking global reach and maximum visual impact, the platform introduces a powerful suite of avatar and language tools. Users gain access to a vast library of hyper-realistic AI avatars to serve as professional digital presenters for their brand. Crucially, the global multilingual dubbing feature instantly translates and dubs your videos into multiple languages, effortlessly unlocking international markets. This is achieved with perfect authenticity using the TrueSync AI lip technology, which ensures the avatar's mouth movements precisely match every translated voice and dialogue, eliminating the common disconnect seen in traditional dubbing. Brands can also achieve deep personalization by a custom digital twin creation by uploading their own footage to create a personalized AI avatar. Beyond initial generation, SparkClips AI provides the necessary studio-grade controls for professional refinement and seamless distribution. The integrated ProStudio timeline editor gives you a powerful drag-and-drop interface to fine-tune scenes, visuals, audio, and timing, offering control without complexity. To further speed up the workflow, it provides industry-grade video templates designed for high-converting ads, courses, and social content. When it's time to publish, the multi-format Omni-Export feature instantly optimizes videos in formats for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, all rendered in stunning crystal-clear 1080p HD rendering. The entire system is optimized for speed, scalability, and accessibility. The 100% cloud-based rendering means video creation and processing happen directly in your browser with lightning-fast video processing speeds, requiring zero heavy software, downloads, or expensive hardware on your end. The platform's design is completely zero tech skill required, making it perfect for beginners while still being commercial agency ready for marketers needing to scale client video production with full brand customization capabilities. This combination of powerful features ensures that from raw idea to final publication, the process is rapid, professional, and consistent across all channels. The process of creating a professional video with SparkClips AI has been engineered for maximum efficiency, collapsing hours of work into a straightforward, three-step automated workflow. It all begins with step 1. Input your content. The platform acts as a powerful content ingestion engine. Users simply need to provide the raw material, whether that's typing a basic topic idea, pasting a pre-written script, or even uploading an existing video file. Instantly upon input, the AI system takes over, generating the complete, underlying structure for your new video, including scene breakdowns, potential narration flow, and an initial storyboard, essentially taking you from a blank page to a structured draft in seconds. Once the content foundation is established, step 2, choose your avatar and style allows for full creative direction and personalization. Here, users customize the presentation layer of the video by selecting an ideal AI avatar from the diverse library, choosing the perfect voice, and defining the target video format. SparkClips AI takes these instructions and automatically synthesizes the visual and audio components, building scenes, applying the chosen style, and ensuring the avatar is ready to deliver the script with natural expressions. Finally, step 3, edit and export provides the final touchpoint for perfection. Users can quickly polish the video using the studio-grade timeline editor to make subtle tweaks to timing, add custom subtitles, overlays, and visuals, before effortlessly exporting the finished, high-quality video in any required format, ready for immediate publishing. To ensure users hit the ground running and achieve maximum impact from day one, SparkClips AI is including a valuable suite of special bonuses, enhancing the platform's capabilities far beyond its core features. The most groundbreaking addition is the Personal AI Digital Avatar. This allows you to upload your own footage and create a personalized, AI-powered digital version of yourself. This digital clone can then speak your scripts, deliver your content, and feature in unlimited videos in over 30 languages with natural tone matching and perfect lip sync, effectively replacing thousands of dollars typically spent on studio time and personal recording. To help drive audience engagement and increase monetization potential, 2 powerful content packs are included. The Viral Video Hook and Script Starter Pack provides a collection of professionally crafted frameworks, intros, and hooks optimized for high-performing content on platforms like YouTube, Reels, and Shorts. This dramatically improves viewer retention and click-through rates. Complementing this is the Premium Backgrounds, Scenes, and Motion Elements Pack, a curated library of cinematic backgrounds, animated overlays, and studio-quality scenes. These visual assets instantly elevate your videos, giving them a polished, high-production aesthetic without requiring an external designer or complex editing skills. Finally, and perhaps most valuable for entrepreneurs and agencies, is the inclusion of the Commercial and Client Work License. This vital authorization grants you the right to create and sell unlimited videos to clients, allowing you to profit immediately from explainer videos, product demos, multilingual content, and more. This means you can keep 100% of the revenue generated from providing video production services, making SparkClips AI an instant revenue generator perfectly suited for freelancers, coaches, and marketers looking to scale their client base. The value proposition of SparkClips AI is truly exceptional, especially when considering the current pricing structure. Typically, a sophisticated platform that combines features like text-to-video generation, hyper-realistic AI avatars, perfect lip-sync technology, and global multilingual dubbing would command a high recurring subscription fee, often around $97 per month or more. This software includes a massive feature set from HD cloud rendering and professional templates to the crucial commercial license and unlimited video creation rights, all of which are valued collectively at a significant amount. However, for a limited time during this special launch, the team has completely eliminated the monthly fees. You can get instant access to the entire SparkClips AI suite, along with all future updates and premium support, for a single, low one-time payment of just $14.97. This deal represents a massive saving and ensures that your content production costs are fixed forever. This limited time, one-time investment means you get a complete, agency-ready video studio without the financial burden of ongoing subscriptions eating into your profits. The included commercial license alone makes the low price a no-brainer for anyone planning to use the tool for client work. To give you complete confidence in making this investment, SparkClips AI is also backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. This removes all risk, allowing you to test the platform, generate multiple videos, and confirm its transformative power for your business over a full month. Don't miss this opportunity to lock in such immense value at an almost unbelievable price point before it reverts to the standard, much higher monthly cost. And that's the wrap on our deep dive into SparkClips AI. It is clear that this platform is not just an incremental update to video editing. It's a powerful, all-in-one generative solution that eliminates manual recording, expensive talent, and fragmented software. From its instant text-to-video generation and hyper-realistic AI avatars to the flawless TrueSync AI lip technology for global content, SparkClips AI is purpose-built to help you produce professional, high-volume videos with unmatched speed and efficiency. The combination of its powerful feature set and the included commercial license for a single, low one-time price makes this deal genuinely unbeatable for any creator or business serious about scaling their video output. We have included the direct, secure link for you to unlock this special offer, the massive bonus package, and the full commercial rights, all backed by the 30-day money-back guarantee, in the description below this video. Remember, this limited time price won't last, and you'll want to lock in the single payment access now before it shifts to a recurring monthly subscription. If you found this review helpful and plan to upgrade your content game with SparkClips AI, please do us a favor, like this video, leave a comment letting us know which feature you're most excited about, share it with anyone who struggles with video creation, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more powerful software reviews. Thank you for watching.